If you need to factory reset your Sonos subwoofer, I'll show you how. Factory resetting can help troubleshoot issues, prepare it for a new owner, or start fresh. In this video, we'll cover the entire process step by step. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, our guide is easy to follow. So grab your Sonos subwoofer and let's get started. By the end, your subwoofer will be reset and ready to go. Stay tuned and let's dive into the details. First, make sure you unplug the subwoofer from power. Next, press and hold down the join button on the side of the subwoofer. While continuing to hold the button, plug the power cable back in. You'll know it's working when the light on the subwoofer starts blinking from white to orange. Once you see the orange blinking light, you can release the button. Wait for the light to turn solid green. This means the factory reset is complete. The blinking orange light shows the system is still resetting. Be patient. Once solid green, your Sonos subwoofer is ready for setup. Reconnect it to your network and configure it to your preferences. A solid green light confirms everything is back to default settings. And there you go. Your Sonos subwoofer is now factory reset and ready for a fresh setup. This process erases all previous settings and connections, giving you a clean slate. Remember, the green light indicator shows the reset was successful. Happy listening.